In the Lord I take refuge. How then can you say to me, flee like a bird to your mountain? For look, the wicked bend their bow. They set their arrows against the strings, to shoot from the shadows at the upright in heart, when the foundations are being destroyed. What can the righteous